Imagine being falsely accused by your own people. This is one of the remarkable stories of Prophet Musa, peace be upon him. The children of Israel spread rumors that Musa had a physical defect. Because of his modesty and dignity, he always bathed alone, away from the sight of others. One day, Prophet Musa went to a stream to bathe. He placed his clothes on a nearby stone and entered the water. Then something extraordinary happened. By the command of Allah, the stone suddenly moved and carried away his clothes. Musa came out of the water and began chasing the stone, calling out, "O stone! My clothes! O stone! My clothes!" The stone continued moving until it reached a gathering of people. When the people saw Musa, they realized that all the rumors were false. He was perfectly healthy, and the accusations against him were completely untrue. In that moment, Allah cleared the name of his prophet and exposed the false claims of the people. After retrieving his clothes, Musa struck the stone in frustration. According to authentic narrations, marks from those strikes remained on the stone. This story teaches us an important lesson. Allah protects the honor of his prophets. False accusations may spread for a time, but the truth will always prevail. Trust in Allah, remain patient, and remember that honesty and dignity are always rewarded. Peace be upon Prophet Musa.